Good afternoon. So here we've got a beautiful 2019 registered Toyota 1.8 hybrid CHR. This one comes with the full leather and all the other CHR goodies I'll go through with you in a second. Handles at the top there for the back. Isofix on the outside, 2 seats, 3 seat belts across the back, cup holders in the back, electric windows front and rear, parking sensors all round and camera. Also has the blind spot warnings. Beautiful boot space. Lovely, lovely car. Of course, it's all ULEZ compliant, being a hybrid petrol. These are great cars. When we get these in, they do not hang around. They sell very quickly, especially with the leather. It just seems that added little sweetener on top. So this is in black, like a sapphire, dark opal sort of black. Almost a jet colour. Right, let's have a look at the mileage. Very nice. So 28,691 miles. Okay, it's a one owner car with full service history. On the stalk there you got your front and rear wipers and your automatic wipers, and also your intermittent speed control. On the other side you got your lights, auto lights, front and rear fog lights, indicators, everything. Okay, steering options there on that button, and your auto headlights down there. On the driver's door you've got electric mirrors that also fold in. Front and rear electric windows are there, and then in the middle you've got your central locking and your windows locks. Cruise controls here. On the steering wheel got lane detection, cruise control, and also you've got a warning, so if you get too close to the car in front it will warn you, and it will slow the car down. Okay, on the other side you've got your telephone answering and your volume. So let's just push the button, put the foot on the brake, get it hold off. Here we go. So this is technically the engine running. Okay, so as you can see, radio station is that's how you can get your music, AM, FM, auxiliary or Bluetooth, any of those. Okay, here you got your sat nav, all touch screen as you can see. There you go, just by the M3, look where we are. And then on this one here you've got your car information, and as you can see at the moment we're just on battery. So if I just touch the accelerator, start the car, start the engine, you can hear it, and it will there we go, and you can start. There we are. So it's the engine powering the car and charging the battery. So that's there. That's all on that screen. Now if we go into reverse, of course we have the reverse camera as well. Coming down from there you've got heated control, you've got your heated passenger seat, your heated driver's seat, front and rear demists, and your air conditioning, your fast economy, and then you can turn it up. You can have separate temperatures either side of the car, or you can have it on climate control auto. You've got a cup holder there, and your USB and auxiliary port, automatic gearbox, electronic handbrake, which you can hold the brake in, traction control, and your EV mode. Power point there, more storage under the armrest. So beautiful car, inside and out. This will not be around for long. Give me a call if you're interested in this car. Take finance. Okay, we up with finance and take any vehicle in part exchange. But give me a shout as soon as possible. Get yourself down to have a look at it, and we'll see you soon down in Windlesham. Bye for now.